In this video, I'm going to show you the tools needed to install your room of carpet to get long-lasting professional results. So this room of carpet does not require a seam. So these tools right here is all you're going to need to get professional results on your carpet installation. These two black cases are carpet power stretchers. This here is a carpet knee kicker. This is a carpet trimmer. This is a stair tool or a carpet tucker. This is your carpet knife, and these are the blades for the knife. These are the blades for the carpet trimmer. So this carpet knife has a double-edged blade on it. You can actually use both ends of it. It's got a little wing nut here. You can actually take your blade, and whenever you do this, you'll use this side, and then once this side gets used up, you can actually flip it over and you have another brand new side of a blade. So you can actually get two uses out of each blade. Inside, you have a little storage right here where you can actually stack another 10 extra blades for convenience. Simply take your carpet blades, open them up, and you can pour them right in there. Close your knife right back up. This little tool here is a carpet tucker. What you use this for after you cut your carpet down, you're going to use this to tuck it in the gully of the tack strip and baseboard, leaving yourself just about a 1/4 inch up on the wall, just like so. Then you'll take your tucker and just tuck it right in there like that. And that is the use of the carpet tucker. And hey, if you're finding value out of what you're seeing, go ahead and hit that thumbs up. This here is a carpet trimmer, and this will actually make your cut real straight and precise up against the wall. This will give you nice, accurate cutting, just the right height. So the carpet actually goes right here in that slot, and you can see inside there is carpet trimmer blades. You see the little shiny spot right in that U shape right there? That's the carpet cutting blade. And you simply push this down right in the crevice of the floor where it meets the wall, and you just push it, keeping it up against the base and down along the floor, and it leaves you a nice clean cut just like that. It definitely speeds up the process. You can take your cut tucker and tuck it right in there. So this carpet trimmer is just for a more efficient and straight cut. Definitely speeds up the process rather than using your carpet knife to make all the cuts on these long straight walls. This tool right here is a carpet knee kicker, and it has a little dial on the top right here. This is for setting the depth of the teeth that comes out of the bottom right there. As I turn the dial, you'll be able to see the teeth protruding out of the bottom of the tool. So most carpets, you're going to want them teeth all the way sticking out like that. And when you use this tool, most of the time, you're going to want this extended all the way out. There's actually a lever right on the bottom right there. If you push that lever in, you can see this comes up and it releases inside and allows this to stretch out. Just like that. It gives you more length of the tool for ease of kicking. I want to clarify, this is not a carpet stretcher. This is a positioning tool. It's simply for getting your carpet where you want it before you use the carpet stretchers. If you use this to stretch in your carpet, it's not going to last. You're going to have wrinkles and waves in it, and there's a good chance you're going to rip your carpet trying to get it stretched in properly with the narrow head of this tool. I just want to show you how to use this. We're going to actually put it on there and bump it up. As we push it up, we're going to secure that on the tack strip. Same thing again. If you can notice, this right here is actually pulling. Okay, you see that moving there? That's what we want. Now this would be all stuck on the tack strip. I could now take my carpet trimmer and carpet tucker, trim this down and tuck it, and it's going to be ready to make my carpet stretch. Again, these are carpet stretchers. They come with 4 long tubes, 1 short tube, a head piece, and a tail piece. So these are about 3 foot long, and you can push the buttons in and they will extend to a total of 5 foot long. With each one of these poles, the head piece and tail piece, and the short pole here, You can reach a total of 24 feet with one set of power stretchers. This is the headpiece. This is the lever that actually pushes down on it to stretch the carpet. This has the spikes on the bottom of it, just like the knee kicker did, and it serves the same purpose as the spikes on the knee kicker. So these posts will stretch all the way across your room. The flat piece down there, which is called the tail piece, has a piece of rubber on the back of it so that it gets a grip and does not mark your baseboards up. Now, since that's there, you're going to take this and just push down on it, and you can see the tremendous amount of stretch that you can get using this power stretcher. That's why this is crucial for a long-lasting carpet installation.